Your second fold I like to call the flying triangle. So again, you have instructions and you have your test paper. So I hope you're practicing all these before you go and do them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half so it looks like a rectangle, making sure we match the corners and the edges to the best of our ability. Again, you want to make sure that your fold is nice and flat and crisp at the bottom. Then I'm going to also fold it again so it looks like a square, making sure that I fold. What I'm doing, if you have nails, I'm just using my nail and I'm just kind of pressing down with my nail to make that nice and flat. Now once you have that, you're going to open it up with the fold towards your stomach and the opening away from you. You're now going to take this corner and you're going to fold it up to the opposite corner. And again, you're going right to the fold, don't overlap, and you're going to do the same thing for the other side. And there is your flying triangle. And you're done.